Alrighty, so this 2012 Chevy Colorado, it's got a couple of issues. So initially the high side was restricted in the condenser, so we put a condenser and a dryer in it, recharged it, and my AC is just not super cold. So right now I have it on full hot. You can see it's at 130 degrees, and it doesn't swing all the way. I don't like that. But if you look under here, if I try to turn further to the heat setting, it's basically full stroke. Plus I have a good 130 degrees coming out, so I'm not too worried about that. One thing I don't like is when I go to full cold and I let this thing kind of cool down a little bit. Let's bump up there. It doesn't really get super cold. It gets like 60s. So let's just see what it gets to. Remember, this thing has got fully functioning AC parts, working like a champ. So we're full turn. This cable set up is fully pulled over. So, we're like almost breaking 70. So watch this. I'm gonna just take this and pull it a little bit more. So the fix here is we're going to increase the loop coil side. We're going to loop it a little bit more, and that should give us cooler temps. Look at that, 20-degree difference. That baby needs to pull harder so we can shut off the heater core. So that's what we're going to do. Boop.